Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Dawson. Today we're going to be talking about my old crypto strategy versus my new crypto strategy, what I changed up and why I changed it up. Hopefully, we'll bring some value. Maybe you look at your strategy and say, just like, maybe I need to switch something up. The bear market would be the time to do that, to consolidate your portfolio, make some changes if you need to. But as always, if you're new to the channel, my name is Dawson. We do a lot of crypto analysis, coin analysis. We do like TA analysis, just a lot of crypto talk, a lot of fun. If you like that stuff, please like, subscribe, join the community so we can continue to grow the channel. As always, it's not financial advice. Crypto should be solely a lot of fun. We all want to make money, I know, but at the end of the day, if you don't make any money, I just want you to have a lot of fun. So please do your own research, do your own due diligence. Only play where you can afford to lose and just have a good time. All right. No need to stress over some digital money. Okay. So my original crypto trading strategy, I say trading. I'm not a trader. I'm an investor, value investor, long term. So my original crypto investment strategy, there's two ways I went about this. The first way, I only invested in coins provided to me on the CEX of my choice, whether this be a Coinbase, a Binance, an FTX, a Gemini. I was only investing in the coins that were on that CEX. And this is just not a good way to go about it because it just limits yourself. It limits the exposure you have to different ecosystems and getting in to use those ecosystems. You don't self custody your own coins. It's just not the best way to go about it. It's a great way to get started in crypto, to on ramp some fiat into crypto, but you should try to push off of CEXs. Go use the communities yourself, go use the dApps, go use the projects, whether it be like Ethereum L1, L2s like ZK Snark Arbitrum Optimism, stuff like that, or move your money into Algorand's ecosystem or Cardano's ecosystems. Just get it out there, go use it, see what's happening out there. All right. Especially if you're going to invest in, you know what's happening. So originally, I was investing my money, DCing into just projects on the CEX, and it just, you don't have very good exposure to the ecosystem as a whole that way. The second way I was going about it is just investing into cryptos in the top 50, top 100 on CoinMarketCap. This is a little bit better of a way to go about it, but it's still not the best way. There's just, when you have 50 coins sitting in front of you, how are you going to know which one to pick? It's just, you're investing based on coin name or market cap or what everyone else is doing. And that's not a bad idea if you're doing Bitcoin ETH, but when you start getting into top 50, top 100, it's just not the best strategy to just pick some coins and diversify across 20 coins on CoinMarketCap. It's just not. So, how has my investment strategy changed now within like the past, I would say probably 5 or 6 months? It really has happened the past 3 months, but 5 or 6 months has really led me up to this point where I feel more comfortable with what I'm investing in now, even though some of the coins are more risky and I'm down a lot of money like everyone in the bear market. But so currently, my current strategy is to pick an ecosystem that I can go learn about. So when I started, I picked Cardano. Cardano is just really attractive to me because it's the consensus mechanisms based off Bitcoins, the ledger model is based off Bitcoins. I like that it has peer-reviewed network. I like its staking model. I get to custody my own coins as I stake and support the network. It's really decentralized, 3,000 stake pools. So I just liked Cardano when I started this strategy. So I went into Cardano. Also, Ethereum gas was really high, and I don't really have the money to like invest and then pay to move that money, with the gas being so high. So Ethereum just wasn't as attractive to me when I was starting the strategy. So I did this strategy with Cardano. And for step one of the strategy, you pick a ecosystem, whether it be gaming, metaverse, DeFi, Cardano, Ethereum, Algorand. Just pick something that you like and enjoy and understand, and go all in on that thing. So I picked Cardano. And then step two of the strategy would be to learn as much as you can about this sector of crypto in order to make good judgment, right? So you want to explore all the projects, explore the NFTs, explore the DeFi. And so I was doing that in the Cardano ecosystem. I was, like, what do these projects do? What does this project do? I think this, DEX is good. I think this one's good. What are the liquidity pools like for this DEX? What is the swapping like for this DEX? Is it happening fast? Are the fees too high? Stuff like that. All this information you have to gather. That was step two of my new strategy. And then step three is to take all that due diligence, take a little bit of gut feeling, and invest into whatever project makes me feel like this is a good investment. So my current strategy is to niche way down, pick one community. There's gaming, there's metaverse, DeFi, Algorand, Solana is a community, Ethereum is a community. There's all these communities, right? So my original strategy was be wide, be broad, invest in the whole market. My new strategy is pick one thing, niche down, learn as much as I can about it, and then pick 1 to 5 projects that I can invest in and just push all my capital there. And so it's a more consolidated portfolio, but I feel more comfortable with my investments. Some of the projects I'm in are low caps, some are large caps. Like I'm in ADA, which is a $15 billion project. I'm in Ardana, which is a $5 million project. I only have about 5 tokens in my portfolio: Cardano, ETH, Ardana, Meld, Cody, and I feel completely happy with that allocation. So originally, I was over here investing in too many coins and I didn't know enough about them. I was investing with what was provided to me. My new strategy is I go out, I research, I search what's out there, and I invest in what I feel comfortable with, regardless of the size of the project, regardless of the risk. I allocate a certain amount of capital that I feel comfortable with. I don't go over that, I don't go under that. And then I monitor the project to see if it's hitting its white paper milestones. It's keeping development, it's keeping communication, it's continuing to build in the bear market. I'm watching Cardano put out Vasil hard fork. I'm watching transactions, the transaction cost cut in half and the size of the transactions double, right? So this is a great thing for me as an ADA holder. For Ardana, I'm waiting for their DEX to come out in his Q4 or Q1 of 2023. So if that doesn't happen, I might have to reevaluate, but right now it's okay. They said that their DX is going to be out by Q1 2023. So we'll see if that happens. I'm really hoping it is, but if not, it's not the end of the world. It's a risk reward ratio that I'm comfortable with. So what my advice through this video would be, if you're kind of taking the shotgun approach that I was taking, investing what's available on your CEX, investing what's available on CoinMarketCap, I would highly suggest you to take a step back, especially in this bear market, when you have the opportunity to consolidate some coins, buy in lower, etc., and figure out what communities in crypto do you really enjoy. Is it Ethereum? Is it gaming? Is it L2 on Ethereum? Is it Algorand? Is it Polkadot? What sector of crypto do you believe in that you have like good understanding of, good knowledge of, good comfortability with? Then I would take this time, this bear market, to continue to push your knowledge, continue to research, continue to understand, continue to like see how the use cases are, figure out is your ecosystem viable? Then what I would do is, after all that due diligence, it takes a little bit of gut feeling, a little bit of investor gut feeling, but I would take that time to decide, are these projects I'm in good or bad, and then consolidate that portfolio. That's what I've been doing the past couple months. That's what I suggest people to do. And it's not financial advice, but I think as a value investor, it makes sense. Warren Buffett he famously says that it's when you have a winner, if you don't allocate enough to it, it can become a loser. He doesn't say exact words, but he said, if don't, his famous words are like, don't suck your thumb. If you know something is a winner, just put your money in, forget about it, and trust yourself. Okay. So that's my new crypto strategy is, regardless of risk, regardless of project size, I invest in projects that have great uses, great communities that I've niched down with, that I understand. All right. As always, if you have any questions about this, leave a comment, send me a DM or something. I'll try and help you as best as I can. If you have any coins that you want me to review, just put it in the comments and let's review them. I'm really into the Cardano ecosystem, so if you want to know about Cardano stuff, let me know. Other than that, hope you all have a great weekend and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.